Today, me teach you about machine learning. M-A-C-H-I-N-E-L-E-A-R-N-I-N-G. But first, pie. Machine learning is like how me learn about pies. When me tiny baby monster, me not know difference between yummy pie and chewy rock.
But over time, me see many pies, me taste many pies, me learn the patterns.
Chocolate chip pies usually round and brown with dark spots. Oatmeal pies, they usually bumpy and tan. Sugar pies are very smooth and light-colored. Me learn these patterns by eating, observing, thousands of pies. Oops. Anyway, machine learning works same way. A computer looks at thousands and thousands of examples. It finds the patterns, and then it uses those patterns to guess about new things it never seen before.
Like, if me show computer 1,000,000 pictures of chocolate chip pies.
The computer learns to recognize chocolate chip pies. Not because computer understand what a pie is, but because it learned the pattern of dots and colors that usually mean chocolate chip pie. Sometimes grown-ups get very confused about this. They think machine learning means computers go to school like little kids. But really, it just means showing the computer lots and lots of examples until it gets good at guessing.
Like this, me show ya.
Me have learned that round, brown things with chips usually taste good. Rectangle brown things with nuts also usually taste good. Me use this learning to predict which new pies me will like.
See? Me not understand why pies taste good or what makes them pies. Me just learn the patterns that help me find the yummy things. Me use this learning to predict which new pies me will like.
Same with machine learning. Very good at finding patterns, not so good at understanding the meaning.
Though, me must admit, sometimes me wrong about pies, too.
Like that one time me learned that everything round and brown was not a pie. Turned out, some were hockey pucks. Very crunchy. Not recommend.